In a world that often celebrates speed, scale, and mass production, there is something profoundly grounding about the act of crafting something small, thoughtful, and made entirely by hand. For woodworkers, creating mini wooden crafts offers a unique opportunity, one that bridges art, sustainability, and livelihood in a way that feels both timeless and powerfully relevant today. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of mini woodcraft project design ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. These small-scale projects are not just about aesthetics or income. They are a reflection of intention, a quiet rebellion against waste, and a deeply personal form of self-expression. Whether it's a hand-carved spoon, a pocket-sized keepsake box, or a beautifully detailed miniature shelf, each piece tells a story, not only of the material it was born from, but of the hands that shaped it and the purpose it was meant to serve. For many modern woodworkers, especially those just starting out or those working from home-based shops, mini wooden crafts present an accessible and fulfilling entry point. They require fewer tools, less space, and more creativity, encouraging a kind of artistic freedom that isn't always possible with large-scale furniture making. The manageable size allows room for experimentation, playing with joinery, finishes, inlays, and detailing that speaks to the woodworker's personal style, without overwhelming the budget or workspace. In many ways, these small crafts serve as a canvas for artistic voice, allowing even beginners to explore new techniques while still producing functional and beautiful objects. But the artistic value of mini wooden crafts doesn't overshadow their practicality. On the contrary, their appeal lies in how seamlessly form meets function. From desktop organizers and rustic key holders to elegant phone stands and coaster sets, each item is designed not just to be looked at, but used and appreciated daily. This union of purpose and presentation creates something that resonates with today's consumer, someone who's seeking authenticity, simplicity, and sustainability in their surroundings. And that's where the heart of the opportunity lies. As society becomes more conscious of environmental impact, the demand for handmade, sustainable goods continues to rise. Woodworkers who lean into this demand, particularly those repurposing reclaimed wood or using leftover cuts from larger projects, are doing more than reducing waste. They're participating in a larger conversation about mindful making. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. Crafting something new and purposeful from scraps is not only economical, but it breathes new life into materials that might otherwise be discarded. It's a celebration of resourcefulness and respect for nature, where every knot, grain, and imperfection is embraced as part of the piece's identity. And while the emotional and environmental satisfaction is immense, the financial viability of mini wooden crafts can be just as rewarding. These items are often highly marketable, ideal for online platforms like Etsy, craft fairs, and boutique shops where customers are looking for meaningful, handcrafted items that don't break the bank. Their smaller size makes them easier and cheaper to ship, store, and produce in modest batches, making them perfect for side hustles or full-fledged small businesses. Better yet, their affordable price point opens the door to a wide audience, people who may not invest in a full dining table, but would love to own a handmade piece of art that fits in their home and life. For woodworkers, this means the ability to scale gradually, with minimal risk and maximum personal connection to the work. Each sale isn't just a transaction. It's a moment where someone has chosen your craft, your story, and your artistic fingerprint to become part of their everyday life. There's also something immensely gratifying about the rhythm of working on mini projects. Unlike larger, more complex builds that can take weeks or even months, these smaller pieces often come together in a day or two, offering a faster cycle of creation, reflection, and improvement. This quick turnaround feeds the maker's motivation, keeps creativity flowing, and makes room for consistent learning. The sense of completion, of holding a finished piece and knowing it serves a purpose, whether it's to organize, decorate, or simply bring joy, is fuel for the spirit. For hobbyists considering turning their passion into profit, or for seasoned artisans seeking reconnection with the fundamentals of their craft, many wooden crafts provide that balance of heart and hustle. They're a testament to what can be achieved with limited tools, but unlimited vision. Even more meaningful, though, is the personal evolution that often unfolds alongside the work. Crafting something by hand with intention requires patience, presence, and care, qualities that, when practiced regularly, begin to infuse other areas of life. Woodworkers often speak of how the quiet focus required at the workbench becomes a form of meditation, a daily retreat from noise and chaos into a world where their hands, tools, and intuition guide them. In this space, small victories matter. A smoother edge, a tighter joint, a more refined finish. And those victories are earned through attention and love. That process, slow and steady, teaches resilience, self-trust, and pride in craftsmanship that money alone cannot buy. And yet, this blend of artistry and sustainability does generate income. Real, consistent income that allows creators to dream bigger, build better tools, and eventually scale. For many, what starts as a humble shelf or simple tray becomes the foundation of a full-time craft business. The versatility of many wooden crafts supports a wide range of niches: modern minimalist decor, rustic farmhouse charm, personalized gifts, and even corporate accessories. With the right storytelling and branding, each piece becomes more than wood. It becomes a message. One that says, "This was made with care. This was made for you." In the end, the true beauty of many wooden crafts lies not just in their physical form, but in what they represent. They're proof that meaningful work doesn't need to be massive or loud. That with heart, skill, and a commitment to doing good with what we have, it's possible to build a life and a livelihood, one handcrafted piece at a time. They remind us that success doesn't have to be complicated, and that in a world increasingly dominated by machines and speed, there's still a sacred place for the human touch. For woodworkers of every background, that realization is the start of something timeless, and perhaps the most profitable venture of all. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked mini woodcraft project design ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you